With our recent small spike in COVID-19 cases here in Greene County, the health department's contact tracers, well, they're busy making phone calls.
If you or someone you know tested positive for the virus, you were likely contacted by one of the county's contact tracers. Color 10's Madison Heber is here with more on why these contact tracers are so important. Madison.
Yeah, Heather, if you've been diagnosed with COVID-19, contact tracers are the ones who call everyone you know that you might have had close contact with and possibly exposed to try and stop the virus in its tracks.
The first thing that we do is we have one of our epidemiologists reach out to that individual and they conduct an interview. So it's a standard interview process that walks through basically everything from symptoms to where they've been into what their steps should be going forward.
John Mooney, the Assistant Director of Health at the Springfield Greene County Health Department, says contact tracing is important in stopping the spread of COVID-19.
And so what they do is they reach out to these contacts of someone that has a disease. So they reach out to them and they, again, walk through sort of what this means. Things like quarantine, and if they absolutely have to go out, that they need to be masking. And then also to coordinate testing. We're in daily contact with them to monitor them for symptoms so that they've got a dialogue back and forth with one of our own employees.
Though there are some private contact tracers, the county uses about 30 of its own trained employees for tracing.
We look for those communication skills along with a lot of the public health background that everyone here has.
Mooney says if you've been exposed, it helps out the contact tracers if you have a pretty good record of when and where you've been within the community.
Understanding where you've been, I think is always a good idea. But the more that we're conscious about how we move through the community and make sure that we do it in a safe way, I think the more that we can accurately be able to recall where we've been, especially when we do more high-risk activities. The more that we stay at home, the better off that we are.
But he also says to keep up with guidelines as more of the county reopens to help stop the spread.
Really, anytime you have a communicable disease, the whole goal of public health is to get ahead of that disease and to stop that transmission. So contact tracers are a huge piece of that, of being able to contain the virus.
There are currently 57 active cases of COVID-19 in Greene County with over 150 cases total, and the county has also completed over 10,000 tests.